these Quetzals, this is their nesting season. So she actually goes and brings avocado fruits to her babies, to her chicks. So she's actually right there, waiting for the male to come by. Quetzals are related to trogons. So trogons are another very beautifully colored tropical bird here we have in the Neotropics. And they're all very, very beautiful birds.
Here we have the male Quetzal. Look at those magnificent feathers. He's got a pretty cool mohawk and a nice yellow beak. They also have bright red breast feathers, which distinguish them from the females. They're also the largest member of the trogon family.
So, Quetzals are one of the more heavily sought after birds, for birders especially. They're very, very gorgeous birds, and they nest within dead trees. So they actually hollow out a little hole. They have a pretty deep nest. So what they do is the males and the females will take turns going out and foraging, getting fruit for the babies, avocado fruit, and they'll actually go all the way down into the nest and feed their babies the fruit. The babies then will accept the small avocado fruit, and they'll actually digest all of the fruit around the pit, the seed, and then they will regurgitate the seed. So they're very important in spreading those avocado fruit seeds. So they really help with a lot of the sorry, I got a drop of water right in my eye. They're very important for the spreading of those trees.
Here we can see the male Quetzal with his avocado fruit. He will soon give this to his babies. The chicks eat both the fruit and insects. Take a look at the emerald green feathers on this Quetzal. This is the same Quetzal from before, but this is a different angle. Angles are important in looking at the colors of a Quetzal because they do not have pigmental coloration, they have what's called structural coloration. Quetzals can appear emerald green to aquamarine. This is because it's the way that the light reflects off of their feathers that give them their color. This is commonly used in insects and birds. Just check out those colors. Absolutely magnificent. It was an absolute pleasure to see these beautiful birds right at the end of their nesting season. Stay tuned for the next episode of Jack's World of Wildlife.